Hey, let's solve some exponential equations using this base E. This is just like example 4 in the text. So let's take a look at this. I'll solve it exactly like they do, just so we keep everything consistent, but they have negative 2 e to the x plus 3. And then we go plus 8 equal to negative 14. Okay, so there's a million ways to solve this. Like you could do the exponent rule in the very first part there and then solve through. Or you can just go ahead and subtract 8 to begin with. Regardless, you end up with the same solution. Keep in mind that the natural log of e will always be 1, much in the same way that the common log of base 10 is 1. It's the same thing. These guys undo one another. You can check this on your calculator by taking the natural log, and I'll show you here, of e to the first power, like that. You type it in just like that, and that should result in giving you 1. And that's what allows you to be able to do all this solving. So keep that in mind. The natural log of e is 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's do some solving here. Divide both sides by now negative 2. And you're going to have e to the x plus 3 equal to 11. Now we take the natural log of both sides. So ln both sides, and we end up with x plus 3. The exponent is undone when you take the natural log of e. And then this is going to be, I'm going to leave it as the natural log of 11, and then I'll figure that value at the end with my calculator. So what do we got? X is that business, which is approximately, and this follows from your text. So if you go in there, you're going to take a natural log of 11, subtract off 3. I get this negative, hang on a sec, what in the heck? What do they got there? Oh, did I do 8 plus, oh goodness, 8 plus 14 is, yeah, negative 22. What in the world are they doing? I'm not sure what they're doing with their check there. Yeah, I don't know. Good for them, but we should end up with this negative, wait, let me change this. That's going to give us this negative 0.6021. And then we can check that. So if you go back to the very original equation, just to make sure, we can put in this negative 0.6. So we're going to go negative 2 e to the negative 0.602 plus 3 plus 8. And we want to see, well, does that end up giving us about 14? By the way, it's going to be about 14 because that's been approximated. So if I type it in negative 2 times my e raised to this negative 0.602 plus 3, that gives me like this negative 22. And then if I add 8 to that, I get about negative 14.0023. Again, approximation, good enough, call it good. So our final solution here being, let's box this in here, negative 0.6021. Have fun with that, guys. See you in the next video. We're going to go a couple more, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, I'll give you guys an application problem. And then you guys are going to have to use your past experience with regression lines to do that very last example. All right, enjoy. See you guys.